Hello, I've had a question about Unit 3, Lesson 3, Part 2. So this is the second page of the assigned questions, and it's just evaluating limits. So I'm just going to work my way through this one and talk my way through it. So I see exponents -1, meaning that we are dealing with rational expressions. So I'm going to rewrite it in a more representative form here. So 1 over 3 plus x minus 1 over 3 all over x. So one of the rules with limits, try factoring. Obviously at this point I don't see any simple factoring. If I have multiple fractions, I need to write them as 1. So that's the first thing I'm going to do here. So that means I'm going to have 3 minus 3 plus x with a denominator of 3 plus x, all divided by x. So I've got a common denominator. All right, that's where I got that. And then multiplied that up, and made sure I kept brackets because I got to distribute that negative through. So I am going to put a couple extra steps in here. Some people are going to be comfortable enough, they're not going to worry about it. So it'll be 3 minus 3 minus x over, never ever distribute or expand that denominator. Just adds more headaches and work later on. So we'll just leave it as is. It's the numerator that we're trying to clean up. So the limit as x approaches 0. So I'm just going to look at my top fraction here. So that just becomes negative x over 3 times 3 plus x. And then I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of our denominator, just using our division of fraction rules. We can now see that the x's cancel, leaving us with -1. So now we're left with evaluating what we're left with. So we're asking ourselves, do we have a problem now? Oops. If I was to substitute a 0 in, and again, a problem is if we're dividing by 0, and we can see this time, if x goes to 0, we don't have an issue anymore, so we can drop the limit notation, and we see that our final answer is -1/9. All right? So hopefully that makes sense and explains any of the issues that you're having with the question. If you have any other questions, please let me know.